Today is the big day as our tiny camper that we built for charity goes to its new owner. So come with me to go pick up the new owner from Premier Inn in Cannock.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're Becky and David, and these two are Elijah and Sunny. Together we make Sunny's Adventures. If you're new to our channel, we travel the UK and Europe in our A-class motorhome, sharing real family adventures and honest campsite reviews. If you love motorhome life, travel with kids and a bit of fun along the way, this is the channel for you.
I've given her a good clean this morning just inside. The guys over the road have mopped her so she's nice and polished on the outside. We left the stickers on. Just because it looks really smart, and then yeah, we'll go pick up the new, I was going to say their name, and pick up the winner from, I might have announced it on, so I might have announced it anyway. I'm going to go pick the winner up from a hotel. They've come all the way up from Dorset, 50 odd years in the NHS, so well deserved. Here, bang on time. It's really dodgy. I'm waiting outside a hotel. Probably because I've got a dodgy face. I need to find out if the winner wants to be on camera too. I also have to blur them out. It's really hard to not say the gender, although you probably already know. So this has been such a long road, from picking up the van earlier this year, through all the build-ups and downs, taking it over to Germany and back, and now handing it over to someone like Meryl, who spent a lifetime caring for others. It makes every late night worth it, and thanks to everyone who supported, we've raised some amazing funds for the NSPCC. Remember, on average, a child contacts Childline every 45 seconds. Thank you so much. She's off. I'm so glad that Meryl won that. She was so excited.
So yeah, she's called it Dennis.
Dennis, because she spent a lot of time going to Kenya for a charity, and one of her contacts there, a little boy called Dennis, that she got really familiar with. He passed away. He fell out of a tree trying to collect wood for his family. So So it just shows all the things that you've done, all the money that you've raised.
Yeah, amazing.
Even though might not be directly going to that charity, does have an impact on people's lives. So yeah, well done, Meryl. Big congrats from us. It was lovely to meet you, and thanks for getting the boys a little presents. Say well done, Meryl.
Well done, Meryl.
Batman, say well done, Meryl.
Well done, Meryl.
So a truly wonderful moment. She was really excited, wasn't she?
She was, yeah.
I think I've probably confused all the stuff she needs to do to it.
Yeah,
but anyway.
give her too much information.
She was off.
There, yeah.
She drove it like a pro.
She'll find out all about it. If not, we're here.
So this was just a short little video to say thank you to everyone that supported us. That includes our sponsors, some amazing things donated because you guys are amazing, and the people who entered the raffle and the people who donated. You've done an amazing thing. We raised nearly £7,500. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, press that subscribe button and make sure you press the bell icon to get notified of our future content. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all your support. You guys did something truly amazing. Without you, we couldn't have done that. So thank you so much.